2-Minute Python. Input. The input command is built into Python for getting responses from the user. It's a function because whatever the user types is returned to the calling program. The simplest form of the command is to call it with no parameters and ignoring the response. Although limited, this can be used to pause your program while the user reads some instructions or to indicate that they're ready to continue. Once the user presses enter, the program will resume. More usually, you'd provide a prompt or a message for the user. The prompt will be displayed on the screen and Python will wait for the user to type a response. The user response is terminated when they press enter. In this example, the response is ignored again. In this case, we provide a variable for the information to be stored for later processing. So once the user provides a response and presses enter, the information that they typed will be assigned to the variable, in this case color. You'll notice that Python didn't echo the response typed by the user back to the console like it did in the previous two examples. This is because it knows what to do with the data, i.e. assign it to the variable. If we look at the variable, we can see that it contains the information typed by the user. Something that often confuses new programmers is that the response from the input command is always a string. It doesn't matter if the response to the input looks like a number, a date, a bool, or anything else. The result will be a string. If you need to use the response as some other data type, you will have to convert or cast it to that other type. See the 2-Minute Python video on casting for more information. You can see from these examples that the variable contains a string. You can tell because when the content of the variable is echoed to the console, it's shown enclosed in quotes. And when we use the type command, it shows that the variable is a string. Thanks for watching this 2-Minute Python video. I hope you found it useful. Please comment on and like this video and be sure to watch the other videos in the series.